Hello, my name is Muhammad Anik Jadi bin Muhammad Tajuddin. My metric number is BS171 BS17110023. So this is my test question 1. So this is the question. So based on the question, the research question is not perfect because there is lack of a few keywords, which is relationship and the sample and the population of the samples. So the new research question is to study the difference, which is this is the relationship, the difference, and also the difference of UMS student sites from Selangor and Pahang, which is the population of the sample. And for my experimental design, the samples will be coming from two populations, which is Selangor UMS students and Pahang UMS students. And one sample will be taken from each state, and the sample size is 7, and also the 7 is based on the question, and also 7 from each state, and the body height will be taken from each student. So we will be moving on to the statistical analysis. I will be doing the Shapiro-Wilk normality test and Levin test to test whether this sample is normally distributed, and if is the variance of both sample is the same, equal. So open our RStudio. We need to set the working directory with this script. Press run. Let me clear first. We press run, and we need to read our data from the question, which is already saved in CSV file. We can view our data by clicking this. So this is our data, and we need to first run the box plot. Run this box plot, and we will get this. So this is the graph for our sample. As we can see, this is the graph. We have the title and also the y-axis label, which is the head. So next we need to subset our data according to states, which is first is Selangor, and next is Pahang. As you can see, it is subset into two according to state. So first we need to do the Shapiro test. And as we can see from the test, the p-value of this test is more than 0.05, which means the data is normally distributed. And next we need to run the Levin test. Install packages and library, and we move on to the Levin test. So from the Levin test, we can see that the p-value is greater than 0.05, which means the data is both of the data from Pahang and Selangor have the same variance. So the data meets both of the assumptions to run t-test, which is a parametric test. So we run the t-test with this this script. So as you can see, it is a two-sided test, and it is a independent sample, and also the variance is equal. So we click run, and from this test result, we can see that the p-value is greater than 0.05, which means we need to reject the null hypothesis. So this is the null hypothesis and the alternative hypothesis. Okay, so this is the criteria. So we reject the null hypothesis, which concludes that there is a significant difference between EMS student body height from Selangor and Pahang. Thank you.